Hi everyone, welcome to Despair Repair. I hope this camera angle isn't too awkward. Uh, I was cleaning my car this evening and I just wanted to use this opportunity to show you how I clean the car windows without leaving any kinds of streaks. Now, it's not anything special, you won't need any special tools or something like that. I just, after trying several things, found it very efficient, so I just want to share. Hope it helps and stay tuned.
despairrepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website despairrepair.com where you can find more useful car and driving tips.
Now, dear viewers, to do this cleaning, you won't need anything special. As I mentioned, you'll need a simple squeegee like this one that you can buy for a couple of euros if you don't have one. And you'll need paper towels and a simple glass cleaner like this one. Now, this again is the system that I found most efficient. I've used other chemicals, other window cleaners, and so on. This window cleaner, it's made in Germany. I found it the best and I use it. But besides the proper window cleaner, the most important thing is the system, how you clean the windows, and that is the part that doesn't leave streaks. Now, when cleaning the glass, and this is at least what I do, I use two different ways of cleaning the outer side and the inner side. Why is this? Well, the outer side has dirt, filth, dust from the road and everything else, and if you were to apply the glass cleaner directly, you can't do that if it's not filthy, but if you apply it directly, then you will have smudges for sure, or you will need a lot of glass cleaner to clean the outer side. What I do in that case is use the squeegee first. Now, in this case, I must say that I took the car to a car wash last night, washed the exterior of the car, so it's pretty clean. But let's say it's not, let's say this is all dirty. The first thing you should do is, I would recommend apply a mixture of soap and water onto this. I didn't mention the soap and water with the things you'll need, but I hope you don't mind. So apply a mixture of soap and water onto this, and after that use the squeegee. I would recommend that you use the squeegee both horizontally and vertically, okay? So this is a square glass, this is pretty easy to do, so use the squeegee like this. I'm sorry for the presentation because I'm not using soap and water, but again, this is very clean. So we're supposed to do this, and after that, I recommend going vertically, like this. And repeat this 1 or 2 times. Rinse again with soap and water if you have to. With these irregular shapes like this one, you can go vertically immediately. I do it this way. Where I can, I go horizontally, and I hope you get the idea. The main point is that you get a clean surface to apply the glass cleaner. Again, if you don't do that, if you apply glass cleaner immediately, you will probably have problems with streaks. Now, one more thing I must mention. Choose a time when cleaning all of the glass surfaces on your car, either in the evening or early in the morning when there's no sun. If it's during the day, the best time is when it's cloudy. All in all, when there's no sun. Why is this? Well, this is what I've noticed, and I think many people have problems with this. When the sun heats up the glass surfaces, the moment you apply the glass cleaner or water or something like that, it dries out and it leaves the streaks. The glass cleaner you may be using, soap and water, whatever you're using to clean the glass surface, it dries up and it leaves the streaks. And later it's much tougher to clean and much tougher to shine. So if possible, choose a time when there's no sun, be it in the morning, be it in the evening, be it when it's cloudy. The job will be much easier. Regarding the inner part of the glass, I don't use the squeegee there. If you want to, you can use the squeegee and you can use the soap and water. Perhaps you can use a combination of the squeegee and the glass cleaner. But what I've noticed and what I avoid is that when you use the squeegee on the inner side of the door like this, then all of the filthy water that you push down with the squeegee goes onto the trimming, goes into this slot where the window goes down, and all in all you make a mess. So I avoid that, to be honest. On the inner part of the glass, I just use the paper towels and the glass cleaner. This is how much paper towel I take. About 3 or 4 of these towels like this. we take the glass cleaner and spray this much, like this. And then I go again, just like with the squeegee, from side to side. Like this. Here, I can't go from side to side, I go up and down in a bit of circular motion. Also, if the glass cleaner goes onto the body, there's no problem. It won't damage the paint. As you can see what comes off the glass. Very filthy. Okay, to save some towel, I turn it around and I use horizontal motion. So the same as with the squeegee. Gonna have to change the towel. Now when we take the new towel, we will finish this part here. Okay. Now, after you've done these motions, like this, and on the regular shaped glasses like this, left and right and up and down, I would recommend to use circular motion like this. And to go all around the windows. You can't see this on the camera probably, but what effect you get is that the window starts to shine. Very good. There are no streaks whatsoever. And then after the circular motion, you can go however you want. I found the best method is to use circular motion all the way. Let's finish this part here. And there you have it. So the main principle of not having streaks on the glass with this method is to first use the squeegee, take off the big filth, then after that take a paper towel, spray the glass cleaner, go left and right, up and down. On these irregular surfaces you can use the motion that's the best in your case, so you can get a better clean. After you're finished with that and you get a clean surface, take a clean piece of paper towel and use circular motion like this to additionally sort of polish the glass and get rid of all of those streaks. Okay, very, very simple, yet very effective, to be honest with you. The more you rub, the more you polish, the better the effect will be. But in this case, I must say that a couple of passes is enough to get a very good effect. And now for the inner part of the glass. To be honest with you, I'm a bit stingy, so the paper towel I used for polishing one side, I'm going to use for cleaning off the main filth on the other side. I think stingy is the right word, or cheap, I don't know. Again, we're going to apply the cleaner like this, and here we go. Again, go left and right. First, up and down. Here, up and down is the best. Then left, right, like this. And on this part, I want to share one thing that lots of drivers don't do, but it's a good thing to do so you get a complete clean, is to lower the window. And you probably can't see this, but on this part here, where the window goes into the seal, up here, there is a streak that is left. What I do is take this down and wipe it also. I use the towel and do it on both sides like this. So, you know, it's a nice touch if someone is sitting in the back of the car, lowers the window, and there's a big greasy strip right here. It's ugly to see. So we clean that. And we are continuing to go up and down, left and right. Again, this is not that dirty. As you can see, it's rather greasy from the ventilation, from dust, from people touching the glass. People like to do that often. I don't know why. And the effect is already pretty good. Again, we'll take another 3 towels and we will polish the glass. And you get a very, very good effect, as you'll see. Go up and down here. After that, the circular motion for some additional shine. I must say that this glass cleaner is excellent, very good. And there you have it, the window is cleaned. So dear viewers, this is the end result. I don't know if you can see this, but it is sparkling clean. Again, a very simple and a very nice system. I've tried all kinds of other systems and this gives the best result. Show you from the inner side. It's the evening, so I don't know if you can see this, but the result is really, really good. So dear viewers, that's it. As you've seen, very simple. The effects are really good. Again, I've tried different methods. This one was the best for me. So essentially what you're doing is, once you clean the glass with a dry piece of paper towel, you polish the streaks off. Once more, the best results are if you do this where there is no sunlight, then the effect is much, much better. I must also once more tell you that you should, before doing this, if the glass is really dirty, if there are really greasy stains, if you haven't done it for a long time, use some soap and water first. Clean all the dirt, filth, dust first, and then use this method. After this, you'll get a spick and span glass for sure. So that's it for this time. Once more, sorry for the awkward camera angle and for me peeking into the camera like this. It's sort of an improvised video that I made while cleaning the car, so I hope you don't mind. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Watch our other videos. That is even more help for the channel. And I hope I'll see you in the next video.